season taught us something brighter than before. We rise like the morning, turning all the darkness into new belonging. With wiser eyes and spirits newly born, we rise together with the dawn. Ash never promised easy roads, but taught us how to bear the load, to grow much stronger through the strain, and find the sunlight through the rain. Step by step we learn to see who we were designed to be. Not shortcuts, not a fleeting flame, but deeper roots beneath the change. Brighter than before, we rise like the morning. Now we stand awakened, hearts reborn in, like summer sunlight pouring through the door. Every hot season taught us something